Robotic Process Automation Jobs, a gateway to efficiency and innovation. Hello, future pioneers. Welcome back out to my channel where we explore the latest trends and innovations shaping our world. I'm David, and today we're diving deep into the entrancing realm of robotic process automation jobs. Today we will talk about 1. What is robotic process automation? 2. Wherefore RPA Matters. 3. Types of RPA jobs. For job opportunities. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, businesses are constantly questing ways to streamline operations, enhance productivity, and reduce costs. Record robotic process mechanization, RPA, a transformative technology that promises to revolutionize the way organizations handle reiterative tasks and processes. In this video, we'll delve into the world of RPA jobs, exploring their significance, science requirements, and the exciting opportunities they offer. What is robotic work automation? RPA refers to the use of software program robots or bots to automate rule-based, repetitive tasks within business processes. These bots mimic human actions by interacting with applications, databases, and systems. Unlike traditional automation, RPA doesn't require undefined integrations or changes to existing systems. Instead, it operates at the user interface level, making it a versatile solution for varied industries. Why RPA matters? 1. Efficiency boost. RPA eliminates manual of arms intervention in routine tasks, leadership to faster execution and rock-bottom errors. Mundane processes like data entry, account processing, and report generation can be handled seamlessly by bots. 2. Cost savings. By automating repetitious tasks, organizations can significantly cut operational costs. RPA reduces the requirement for man labor, allowing employees to focus on higher value activities. 3. Accuracy and consistency. Bots observe predefined rules meticulously, ensuring consistent and error-free execution. Suppose goodbye to typos and data discrepancies. 4. Scalability. RPA can scale effortlessly to wield increased workloads. Whether it's handling hundreds of invoices or managing client queries, bots adapt without breaking a sweat. Types of RPA jobs. 1. RPA developers. RPA developers are the architect's bottom mechanization solutions. They design, develop, and deploy bots using RPA platforms like Automation Anywhere, UiPath, or Blue Prism. Key responsibilities include analyzing stage business processes to identify automation opportunities, creating bots that interact with various applications and systems, debugging and optimizing automation workflows, collaborating with business analysts and stakeholders to empathize requirements. 2. Automation engineers. Automation engineers specialize in creating and maintaining RPA workflows. They ensure that bots function smoothly and efficiently. Their tasks include writing automation scripts using scheduling languages Python, Java, etc. Integrating RPA solutions with present systems. Monitoring bot public presentation and addressing issues promptly. Conducting testing and quality assurance. 3. Process analysts. Process analysts bridge over the gap between stage business processes and RPA implementation. They document existing processes and identify areas for improvement. Collaborate with RPA developers to plan effective solutions. Ensure conjunction between automation and business goals. Monitor process performance and propose enhancements. Job opportunities. The demand for RPA professionals is skyrocketing across industries. Here are some exciting subcontract roles. 1. Senior automation engineer. Companies like Tata Undefined Services are hiring senior mechanization engineers. 1. These experts lead RPA projects, ensuring successful execution and optimization. 2. Robotics instructors. Learning institutions and preparation centers seek instructors proficient in robotics and AI. These roles postulate precept students the intricacies of RPA tools and techniques. 3. Process mechanization specialists. Organizations care S&P worldwide are on the lookout for specialists who put up drive process transformation using RPA. 1. These roles need a mingle of technical foul and strategic skills. Conclusion. Robotic process automation is more than just a buzzword, it's a game changer. As businesses embrace automation, RPA professionals will play a pivotal role in shaping the hereafter of work. So, whether you're a developer, engineer, or analyst, dive into the earthly concern of RPA. It's where efficiency meets innovation. Robot face light bulb. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video recording insightful, don't forget to like, share, and support for more content on the latest trends shaping our future. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.